Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to enable ongoing call notifications in Gmail. If you've ever missed noticing an active call or didn't get the proper notification while using Gmail, this quick guide will help you fix that easily. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll manage all your system and app preferences. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Gmail and tap to open it. This takes you to Gmail's app info page where you can control permissions, notifications, and other important settings. From here, tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several categories that control how the Gmail app alerts you. To go into more detail, select notification categories. This section gives you more specific options for different types of Gmail notifications. Now, scroll until you find the section labeled Other. Under this section, look for the toggle that says Ongoing Call. If it's turned off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. This ensures Gmail shows a visible notification whenever an ongoing call is active, keeping you informed at all times. From this point on, Gmail will display ongoing call notifications while you're using your phone. It's a small change that makes a big difference, especially if you rely on Gmail during meetings or video calls. And that's it. You've successfully enabled ongoing call notifications for Gmail. Following these steps ensures you won't miss any active call alerts again. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need the same fix. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.